Hi guys, how's it going? How are you all doing? Let's move that over there. Want to make sure we get old SpongeBob in the video. Do you remember the video I put up on Saturday? I say Saturday, 'cause it's Saturday afternoon now. But I may not put this up until tomorrow. But do you remember the film I put up? The video, the shaving video? I did on Saturday, and I was talking about the generosity in the wet shaving community. Lo and behold, look what came this afternoon. A little box from Frank Shaving. I opened the box. Oh, listen. Check this out, guys. There are 10 brand new shaving brushes in there. I think about 5 of them are bore, and I think 5 of them are synthetic. Let's we'll have a look. I don't know myself. Here they are, look. And these have been sent to me by Frank for a giveaway on the channel. There you go. There's one of them. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful Frank Shaving synthetic. Look at that. We'll pop that. We'll open that. We'll pop that one back after. And let's see. Let's get one of these ones down here at the bottom and see what these. I have no idea what's in these. And actually that's another one of those. So I think there'll be 5 of those. And let's have a look and see. I think I've opened them and had a look. No, that's another one of those. There you go. See, this is unscripted. I opened them like this and I looked and I saw that, oh look, that's another one of those. John's, what's going on? I looked and I saw that 5 of them were bore and 5 were synths. So let's have a look and we'll see what we can do. I just want you to see what each brush is. Here we go. So that looks like that's one of the bore brushes. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Frank, have you been inspired by chess? So there's that one there as well. And these have been very kindly sent to me by Frank for giveaways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these away. I'm going to give one away every video. I'll leave that there. Every video for the next 10 videos or something, I will give one of these away. And what we will do, the videos I'll just say this video sponsored by Frank from Frank Shaving. There you go. There you go. We'll do that there. Watch out for those. Yeah. And I'll put it in the title. I'll put it in the title, Frank Shaving, and I'll organise it. I'll organise some giveaway, but I'm not gonna put the name giveaway in the title, because when I do that, what happens is all these people that have never watched my videos and have not, they'll subscribe and enter. And it happens every time I do a giveaway. The minute the giveaway is over, I lose 55 subscribers because they didn't win. They click unsubscribe and so on. So it's not getting to true wet shaving people. So I'll find some way of making sure that Frank gets the recognition he deserves in every video for the next 10 videos. And I'll make sure the people that deserve it, you guys that comment regular as clockwork in and out, I'll make sure that it's just all you lot that go into the draw, as well as other people. My videos are averaging 400 likes and I'm only getting 50 comments. So there's 350 people out there watch my videos week in, week out, and they'll subscribe as well. So they'll comment as well. I want all of you guys that watch, like, and regularly comment to be the ones that benefit from this wonderful gift of generosity from Frank Shaving. Keep your eyes and your ears peeled. Got some good stuff coming up in future, haven't we? Look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday for a Frank Shaving sponsored giveaway shave. Bye.